The first time I uploaded this little video to YouTube, I had taped it with the radio on in the background, and I taped in little segments, so there were just parts of songs. But for some reason or other, YouTube decided that I had violated copyright, because one of the songs that came on in the radio apparently they're very sensitive about people playing it without permission. Well, I couldn't help what came on the radio, and I didn't even play the whole song. In fact, I don't even remember the particular song that they said I played being one of the songs that was on the radio. They said it was the Christmas song, and I think, isn't that the one that goes, chestnuts roasting on an open fire? Well, anyway, I don't have any chestnuts roasting, but I do have microgreens growing in my little garden by the window. And as you saw, I had some that I had for the refrigerator. I do have, I don't know if you can see it right there, a lettuce plant that's kind of getting good sized that I decided to put in a cup to make it grow bigger than a microgreen, and it looks like it's doing fine. The coloring is because of my grow light. It makes everything look pink, or like kind of a chartreuse, I don't remember. It's a combination of blue and red. So you're just seeing some of the things in my house, some of my Christmas decorations. And this little video is only not quite 4.5 minutes, 4 minutes, 24 seconds. Oh, there's Chip, my chimpanzee that I had when I was a little girl, and my Oregon State beaver socks. Well, I put this landscape instead of portrait, and of course, since everything else was portrait, it is sideways, so I believe I am showing you part of it again here in a minute. Yes, there we go. The part that says, Merry Christmas, you are seeing again. I don't remember if I showed you the inside of the card again. We'll see here in a minute. Nope, I guess I didn't. Anyway, from all of us here at Marquardt Meadows, we want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. My gingerbread house that I made last year, it's actually been sitting out all year. I didn't even store it away. Now, don't y'all forget the reason for the season. It has nothing to do with Santa Claus and jingle bells and reindeer. It has to do with Jesus coming to earth as a human and becoming our Savior. So, again, Merry, Merry Christmas. Lulu's telling you Merry Christmas, too. She's a sweet kitty. Merry Christmas from Marquardt Meadows.